Alright, so this is Derek Levitt, and I'm doing my final presentation where I'll be presenting my slide design that I made. So for my slide design, I chose to do the ad campaign called Get Outside and Play. This was made by REI, as you can see here on this first slide, and all the ads look similar to this one on the slide. I really enjoyed this campaign, and I'm excited to show it to you. So we go on to this first slide. It's just a simple transition slide with the black, gray, and white that helps it to translate and I guess transition and connect with the rest of the slides. So here's my first real slide that talks about the design of the original ad. And so I like this ad because, first of all, the picture in the background is gorgeous. It's very simple. There's just a beautiful picture with simple text with a kind of funny saying on it. There's nothing elaborate, nothing that jumps out, nothing too overpowering, I guess you could say. If we go on to this next page, it's talking more about the color. I talked a little bit about it before, but the text is white and the logo is black and white, and so it's a very neutral kind of color, if that makes sense. It makes it so that way it's not very distracting from the beautiful picture in the background, because that's really what makes the ad, I think. If you go on to the typography slide, this is a simple serif font on here, where it will be where it has those serifs, and it's just, again, it's real simple. There's nothing real overpowering, and it helps not distract from the background, which I really like. So now for my new ad that I created. Alright, so this is the new ad. It's got a lot of similarities to the old ad because I tried my best to make it so that way it goes with the ad campaign, of course. The first thing is the background picture, the image. It again is a very beautiful, cool image that is simple. The text is also white, once again, and it's also not too distracting. It's a little bit hard to read, but it's kind of like that in the other ad too, and so I did that on purpose. And I created my own logo, actually, to put on this one, and so that's one that I personally designed, and I think it looks really good. And so overall, it looks very similar. Here's just another slide explaining that with typography, I found a font that was very similar. It was kind of hard to find one exactly, and this was about as close as I could get. So it has similar typography, and it's a similar kind of funny catchphrase. I can't make it to work today, I'm feeling blue, when the picture is all blue. And so this is my logo that I created. Oops, I'm sorry. The logo that I created myself. I'm trying to make it as close as I could to the original. I think it's pretty close. I'm pretty proud of it. You can kind of maybe tell a little bit. There's a little bit gray or white background, which is exactly how it's supposed to be. Overall, this is a very fun project and a very fun design, and I feel like all the slides on it go well together. There's the black, the gray, the white. There's a little bit of blue in the titles there at the bottom, and design, color, typography, the new ad similarities, just to help it kind of match with this new slide, or this new ad that I made, and a little bit with the other old ad. I am proud of this project, and I feel like I have done a good job completing all the requirements. So thank you for listening.